Oh, got him. Yes. Oh, yes. Big fatty. Whew. Toes. Oh my gosh, yes. All right, I am out here at Loch Reservoir. It's a beautiful day, and today is actually going to be the solar eclipse. So I really wanted to come out and be out on the water when that happens, just because I think it'll be really neat. Also, wondering if the fish are going to do anything weird. I'm just really curious to see what's going to happen. So anyways, wish me luck. Hopefully I'll catch a big one. I'm going stealth mode today. Canoe really helps me to get into some areas quietly. I can always even turn off my trolling motor and use the paddles. When you're fishing a high pressure reservoir like this, any kind of edge you can get is good. See a little boulder field right here. Throwing this chatterbait, that way I can bump into the rocks. 53 3/4 degrees. What are those birds called? 54.5 degrees here. Dude, what is happening over there? Oh, it's those birds in that tree. Wait, is he stuck? All right, buddy, hold on. All right, hold on. All right, he's got fishing line in his mouth. I think the best thing I can do is to cut the line right in front of his face. There you go. All right, good luck. Oh, that sucks. I wonder if he ate somebody's bait or something. I bet the GoPro adjusts to the lower lighting. It probably looks like normal. 55 degrees. Remember this morning it was 49? Okay, let's see. There's a bunch of fish. All right, 321. The moment where it's the most full. All right, they might not want to eat right now. The water temperature just dropped like 4 degrees, 5 degrees. Oh, there's a big old fish. It's really murky out here. But this is a lot of the gunpowder water. Oh, got him. Yes. Oh, yes. Ooh, he's fighting hard. Oh, yes. All right. Okie dokie. Yep, 3.48. Nice. All right, buddy. You're kind of almost skinny for pre-spawn. There he goes. All right, on the 6 Sense Trace, I think it's called, Trace or Tracer. $53 degrees. It's about 3 degrees warmer than yesterday, 2 or 3 degrees warmer starting out. Here at the log jam, it's called. I think the trees that come down from gunpowder over there float and get stuck here. Got him! Dang it! Yes! It came off. All right, awesome. Oh. Oh, yes. Oh yeah, a little fatty, big fatty. Whew. All right, changed my chatterbait to this stealth jackhammer green pumpkin, and pretty immediately got this guy. Look at this, some kind of ulcer, some kind of sore. Jeez. Yeah, 3.8. All right, buddy. Oh, see ya. So I didn't even start to reel it in. He just whacked it as it was falling. Got him. Yes. Oh, yes. Yeah. Oh my gosh, yes. No, don't jump. Come here, buddy. Yes. 4 1/4 basically. No, shoot. No, no, I just lost something. My GoPro stuff. Oh gosh, what was that? What did I lose? Okay, couple batteries. I did not lose my files, so that's good. But I am out of a couple batteries. Dang it. It was worth it. Dude, something just broke the surface over there, and it was huge. Right over here. Did I lose my Hero 7? Shoot. No. Did I? Oh, dang it. Yep, that's what I saw. Gliding down into the depths. It's my GoPro Hero 7 Silver. Oh, that sucks. Right, I'm close to that place where I hooked that big one on the jig. Maybe he's dumb enough to eat a second jig. Right, let's see, where was it? Oh, got him! Yes! Oh my gosh. Ooh, feisty. Hey, buddy. Gotcha. All right, nice. Another one on the jig. I see you, buddy. All right, so that was a pretty interesting couple of days. I'm glad I at least caught a few bass out of all that. Saw the solar eclipse and lost a GoPro and some accessories a little while ago. But all in all, I'd say it's all worth it. And it's just great to be back on the lake. Loch Raven's kind of a hard nut to crack, so I was glad to at least catch a few. Anyways, thanks for watching.